Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to do some patterning with candy canes. But first I want to just look at this candy cane shape. And I'll explain to you why we have candy canes at Christmas time. If we turn it like this, what letter do you see? That's a J. That makes a J sound. J for Jesus. And at Christmas time, we think about Jesus because it's Jesus' birthday. And if we turn it back this way again, we might think about a shepherd who has a staff. Remember the shepherd's staff that the shepherd uses to rescue its sheep? And Jesus came to be our good shepherd. And there were also shepherds in the Christmas story, and we'll be hearing about that in our Godly Play story next time. Well, let's look at some patterns. If we want to do an AB pattern, we'll need two colors. So I'm going to get some red and green. So we could do green, red, and now we have to repeat it to make a pattern. Green, red. What do you think comes next? Green and red. So there's our AB pattern. Now if we wanted, we could do three colors and we could make an ABC pattern. So let's try that one. Take these out of the way. How about we do purple, blue, and then orange. And now it's time to repeat it. So we go back to the purple again, and then blue, and then orange. What do you think comes next? Purple, blue, and orange. Now we can even mix these up a little bit. Let's try a two-color pattern that is ABB. Let's try that. So let's go back to our green and green will be our A, and red will be our B. A, B, B. And now we're going back to A again, and then B, B. What do you think comes next? Green, red, red. So you see, the important thing about a pattern is that we repeat it. So we have green, red, red, and then we repeat that. Green, red, red. And we repeat it again, green, red, red. Now you have a paper that looks like this, and you can use your crayons or markers to color the candy canes. And you could do three different patterns if you want. You could do one pattern up here. Maybe up here you could do AB. You could do yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, or whatever color you like. And maybe down here you could do ABC pattern. Maybe you could do red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. And down here, you might want to try the ABB pattern, like I have right here. So you can choose whatever you would like, and you can even take your own piece of paper and draw your own candy canes. We can also use this one for patterning, so you can do a pattern with the stripes of your candy cane. Now the other thing that we're going to do today is a dot-to-dot picture. And I don't know if you've ever done a dot-to-dot, so I'm going to show you a sample one. This is the one that I sent with you. But I'm going to show you this one just to show you how you do a dot-to-dot. So we've got the numbers from 1 to 20. So we have to count carefully. We're going to start at the dot that has the number 1 on it. And we're going to go to the number 2. And then after 2 comes the number 3. So we're going to go from this dot to number 3. What number comes after 3? that would be 4. And next comes 5. What number comes after 5? 6. And then we'll go to 7. And then to 8. And then to 9. And after 9 comes 10. What number comes after 10? 11. And then comes 12. And then 13. Be careful. 14. Sometimes these lines bend, don't they? And then 15, 15. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And look, we have a picture of Santa Claus. So you can decorate Santa and color him in with crayons. I'm going to give my Santa a little fuzzy on the end of his head. Make him a little fancier. All right, so this one you'll have to do on your own, and again, you can use your crayons to decorate it. So I hope you have fun doing your candy cane patterns and your dot-to-dot pictures.